Why does your scanner show the P2539 engine code? What does it mean? P2539 is a diagnostic trouble code for low-pressure fuel system sensor circuit. This engine code indicates that the signal from the low-pressure fuel system sensor is not within the acceptable range specified by the manufacturer. The issue could be electrical, mechanical, or a combination of both. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Fuel system issues, wiring and electrical problems, PCM issues, other possible causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Ford, Volkswagen, and other models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.